You got it. I'm ready. So kibu, I mean Caridi and 101. It is 2, 3 easy steps. First step, accept it.
So with step 1, you always want to have a subject for your picture. There are a lot of people that take pictures and they don't even think about what their subject is going to be. But if you'll take just a second and think about what it is that you want to have as the center of your photograph, then a subject will make your image much, much stronger, and it will make a lot of sense.
Step 2, draw attention.
And so then the second easy step is to draw attention to your subject. Your subject might be your dog, it might be a building, it might be an emotion or a person. And the way that you want to draw attention to your subject is to work on things that are included in kind of the rules of photography, the way that you compose your picture, what you leave in or what you leave out of your picture. You want to simplify it, take out things that are distracting, and you want to use light and you want to use composition to, again, draw attention to your subject. Sometimes when people are trying to teach you about photography, they'll use big, long words. And one of those long words is called composition.
Composition.
Yep, and composition is it's actually, it's not something scary.
Okay.
It's actually a word that means it's how you compose your photograph. As you're the photographer, you have control of what you put into the photograph and what you leave out of the photograph. And so the very first rule of composition is to only have as much information in your photograph as you need to tell your story.
Step 3, tell your story.
Think about if you're showing a person, are they happy? Are they sad? Are they lonely? Are they in a crowd? You think about how you're going to use your image to tell the story that you want to tell.
Step 4, have fun.
And step 4 is always to have fun. The reason that you're taking pictures is to document memories, to capture a moment in time, or to share a thought or a feeling or something that you've seen with others. And the way that you have that as part of yourself is just to really put yourself into it and make it a lot of fun. Photography is something that everybody can do. It's a great way to communicate what you're feeling, what you've done, to share thoughts with others. And so to see Houston be able to use photography as a gift to bring joy to others is just a true blessing.
Thank you for watching. And goodbye, kibu.
Good.
Yeah.
That was good. That was really good.